This is part 3 of the Vagrant Cassandra template series. Part 3 is a multi-data center setup, which has Op Center plus 6 Cassandra nodes in 2 virtual data centers. So again, here under GitHub, under my bcantoni account, Vagrant Cassandra, and we'll drop into section 3, which is the multi-DC template. So we're going to have node 10, which is the Op Center host, and nodes 11 through 16 will have Cassandra on it. And the Vagrant file is going to just create and configure all of those in one step. So let's take a look at a couple of config files we have here. Cassandra.yaml is the primary Cassandra configuration file. And there's a setting called endpoint snitch, which we're going to set to property file snitch. And this will define how the topology is created. You'll see property file snitch uses the file called Cassandra topology properties. So if we go back, we'll see that we have that file here as well. And all 6 of our nodes are listed here by IP address, and they're split into DC1 and DC2, which are virtual data centers or logical data centers. So from the Vagrant Cassandra Git project, we'll go ahead and clone that. Now we'll go into the section 3 multi-DC setup, and we're going to go ahead and run the up parallel shell script, which brings them all up more or less in parallel, and we'll time that. And on my machine, this came back in about 5 minutes, so that was pretty good. Now we'll do a Vagrant status, and we should see all 7 nodes are up and running in VirtualBox. If we log into one of the Cassandra nodes, node 11, we can run the node tool status command here, and we should see all 6 nodes running, and you can see that they're broken into the 2 logical data centers, DC1, which has 3 nodes, and then DC2, which has the other 3 nodes. Now we'll switch over to a web browser and connect to node 10, which is the one we have Op Center running on. In this case, we're going to just pick the Manage Existing Cluster, and we just need to give at least one node. So I'll use node 11 and click Save. Once it picks up node 11, it'll discover the rest of the cluster that we've already defined. So you can see 3 happy nodes in DC1 and 3 in DC2. And here's the list, which has the mappings. So again, that was the 3rd part of this series. If you're interested in checking out the other ones or the source code, check out my GitHub page or follow me on Twitter at bcantoni. Thank you.